Welcome back to my virtual lab, guys. It's your tutor, Disha. Today, I'll be observing plant cells under a light microscope. And the plant cells that I'll be observing today comes from an onion. Let's get to work.
All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on my gloves because I'm using iodine today and I don't want this chemical to irritate my skin. So let me just be cautious there. Then I'm gonna use a knife to open this onion. Right. Using this same knife, I'm gonna also cut out a piece of onion layer and I'm gonna search for that thin translucent membrane. That's what I'm looking for, that thin layer. And I'm gonna use my probe to help me to remove this layer. I gotta be extra careful. It's thin and I don't want it to tear. Carefully. Alright, now I'm gonna reduce the size of the specimen and place it on a slide. Then I'm gonna add 1 drop of iodine to this specimen. And I'm gonna place a cover slip on top of the specimen. Again, I'm gonna use my probe to assist me. I don't want to get a lot of bubbles in it. Next, I'm gonna use a filter paper to soak up that excess iodine solution so I can have a clean, nice slide. Then I'm gonna place this under my microscope and I am gonna adjust it and focus it and show you the results. Alright, nice. Here is the result, guys. Look at those beautiful cells. Oh my gosh. So the first thing that should come out to you is the nucleus right there. Those brown circles, and then you can see, look at how well defined the cells are. The cell wall there is distinct. I'm so happy. Yay! Let's take a look again. Wow. Well, thanks for watching this lab, guys, and remember to subscribe to our channel and share with your peers. Bye.